Hey everyone, my name is Princess and welcome back to my channel or welcome to a new one. So for today's videos, I'm gonna be guys showing you how I do my eyebrow. This is my eyebrow routine, and as you can see, my face is very naked right now because I don't have my eyebrow. Eyebrow is my favorite thing to do in my face. Like, I love putting out my eyebrow. And disclaimer, I'm no means like a professional makeup artist. This is how I just do my eyebrow. And yeah, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of videos. And without further ado guys, let's just get started. That's how I did my eyebrow. Hope you guys find this helpful somehow. Today was just not my lucky day to do my eyebrow, but I just really want to film and share with you guys how I did my eyebrow. And I'm not an expert in putting makeup, and always remember, eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to become part of this crazy amazing channel. And also guys, look at my face, it's so oily because it's summer here in the Philippines. So I'm just saying, if my face is really oily. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything will gonna be linked down below. And wait guys, as you can see, this is my natural hair. I really has a curly hair, and also I just cut my hair last month, so just a little. And that's it. I hope you guys having an amazing day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah.